Greetings all. So I'm sitting here, standing here, and my husband told me that something I did or something I planned to do could get my Jamaican citizenship revoked. You tell me. So what I have here is some dumpling made by yours truly. I'm going to eat them, but the way I plan to eat them is what seems to be something that could get me in a lot of trouble. You tell me. All right, babe, I'm doing it.
All right.
Got some dumpling. Got some homemade vegan butter. Yup. Yup. You still say my citizenship gonna get revoked? Okay, so I have some of my dumplings, which keep dwindling down because they're eating them up. Some homemade vegan butter. Yep, I'm doing it. Seems like that would be so good together. So let's see. Take some butter, some syrup or honey. This is the way we used to do growing up, but of course it wasn't Jamaican dumpling. This is biscuits. Take some dumpling. Let's see. Dip it in. Oh my gosh. Oh, my citizenship done got revoked, but it's delicious.